Da 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 da. Fix Studios. Daddy did it. Fast fix. Replacing the cold valve on the Howdens Lemona Garda Swan neck tap. In any case, this is not a real swan's neck. Step 1. Remove handle with a 2mm Allen key. Step 2. Remove valve cover by hand. Step 3. Remove valve with a 17mm spanner. Step 4. Replace valve. Step 5. Replace valve cover. Step 6. Replace handle. That is how you fix a cold valve on the Howdens Lemona Garda Swan neck tap. Please see our next video on our channel. Daddy did it, and please press the subscribe button and see the next video of Daddy did it. Fix Studios. Goodbye and da 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 da.